Welcome to another episode of ranching. The last thing you have seen on ranching is sandblasting the BJ. In the meantime, I have done a lot of bondo work, so let's take a look. The last thing you have seen was sandblasting. In the meantime, I have done some anti-rust primer, where I sandblasted and wire brushed it, and also start the bondo work. In this episode we will mainly do bondo work and then take some filler on the car. The first thing we do, we start with the right wheel arch, and this piece or this part we do some bondo yet over this gap between the anti-rust primer and the old yellow paint, and we'll smooth them. So the next step will be sandpaper the bondo down until it's smooth. I've already started it, and this will be all the same over the entire car. And alone without help, it will took me another 10 hours to finish this work. So let's start, and you will see some parts of the bondo work and also of sandpaper the entire car before I will fill it. We start with some 180 grit, and then we do 240 and then 320. I have sandpapered these bondo heels down with some 180 grit paper, and yet we will do some 240 to smooth it out. But as you see, a 40 will, or this 40 will never be free of dents or welding spots. It is what it is. I want a car that's drivable and look decent, not beautiful, just decent, and that's the goal. So we will do some 240 and then we will make the next part of the car. I have completed the right side of the car. I sprayed some primer over the bondo. I also have a little help on my dad. So what's left is our left side of the car. We will do the same yet. In the meantime, I have done the left wheel arch, and yet we will do the left quarter panel and also the lower windshield frame. And the next step, when I'm finished with that, is to seal these gaps. They are also original sealed. And then we will apply the primer. I'm also finished the left side with the help of my dad. It was a lot of work to make only the body, the bondo work. Took me alone 6 hours, and together with my dad I worked another 4 hours. So the next step is to seal the gaps here, here, and apply some seal here in the wheel arches. Okay, let's do it. I have taped the areas that we want to seal. Let's start to seal this. I have finished also the wheel arches in the same way I did the windshield frame. It's the same technique with the tape. It will hold better than only the paint. So this is the end of this episode of wrenching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like the video and subscribe, and we'll see us the next time. Bye.